The winter update on my Summer Wave 20 foot by 48 inch deep metal frame pool. Um, so far, as you can see, it's holding up good. It's a little over half full. Drained down some of the water. I did not take it down because I did not want to deal with the craziness of taking everything apart and then trying to figure it out again in the spring. It should hold up. I'm hoping to get 1 or 2 years out of it before I have to worry about patching holes. And then I'll have to find an overlap liner that is big enough to go over the frame, because the 52 inch didn't quite work. There wasn't enough overlap to keep it on the frame. So I'm going to have to try a deeper liner. But so far it's holding up okay. Every once in a while I just come out here and put the submersible pump on it. It's got a 28-foot round winter cover on it, which has worked well because it goes down over the frame, and the wind has not blown it off, and we've had a couple days where we had like 55-mile-an-hour wind gusts, so it's worked well. It's already had snow on it. We've had some snow. Snow's gone for now, but next week I guess we could get a pretty good storm. So it's holding up. I'll let you know what it looks like in the spring when I take the cover off, because I did put a winterizing kit in it, and it came with several things. It came with shock, like some sort of granules that released over time in the water, and a couple other things that I did, and I had a video earlier on when I was closing it. I just covered my sand filter because that thing is heavy with all the sand in it. I did not change the sand out in this year because I had the previous year. So about every 3 years I'll change out the sand completely. I have the pump stored inside the shed. But this, I just didn't feel like hauling inside. And I have a Hayward skimmer on this, and that's also covered with the pool cover. And there's a skimmer plug in there. If for some reason water gets too high, you know, to protect the skimmer from water going in it and then freezing and cracking it. So everything is holding up so far. I haven't seen any evidence of leaks. And thankfully nothing's got up on the cover or anything. I've got a little bit of water froze up here. So you can see it's pretty cold. But when it warms up, I'll drain the rest of that off of there, and we'll be good to go for the rest of the season. So that's my first winter update for this pool.